Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to display your name or contact information on the lock screen of your iPhone. This is very useful in case you lost your iPhone and someone who finds it can call you back easily. So let's see how we can do that. You don't need to install any other application for this. Simply go to the settings and search for the focus. Tap focus. Then you need to tap plus. Create a custom focus. And the text that you want to display on the lock screen, like my name and contact number. You can type secondary contact number or the number of someone in your family or friends. Tap the color and also choose an icon. Next, tap customize focus, and that's it. You don't need to modify anything here because we are using focus feature for displaying text on the lock screen. Simply go back, go to the control center, tap focus, and there you go. There is a focus that we just created. Tap on it to activate it. Now go back to the home screen and check on your lock screen. You can see the text that you just entered. If you don't want it anymore, you can delete it as well or modify it. Simply go back to the settings, search for focus, and tap the focus that you want to edit or delete. You can tap edit to modify it or go to the bottom to delete it. So that's it guys. This is how you can display any text like your name or contact information on the lock screen of your iPhone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.